my name's Yasmin. I'm here with my baby sister Emma.
Hi.
Today we're gonna do the Transform My Sister Into Me video. We're super excited. We actually, right before this, we already had her foundation on, her eyebrows done, we were baking, and then I realized I didn't hit record.
Someone didn't press record.
So,
it's like 30.
We're gonna start all over again. But I think we look a lot alike. Most people say we look exactly alike. She doesn't think that we look alike.
I really don't.
Right now, do you think we look alike?
No.
You don't want to look like me?
I do!
I'm just kidding. Okay. So we're just gonna get started. She already moisturized her face. We used the Pond's Moisturizer OG product. No. Now we're gonna go in with the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. And then now we're gonna go in with the Benefit Professional.
Okay.
Last thing we're going to do to prep the skin is go in with the Melanie Mills by Sandra Deluxe Gleam Body Radiance. So this video is like not super boring. We're going to do some questions. So I'm just going to Google like sister tag questions. First question is, who is the oldest and youngest among all of you? So you can answer that.
My brother Andrew is the oldest. We call him Andy though. My mom calls him Andrew.
Okay, and then me.
Yeah.
Andy's a year older than me, and then I'm a year younger than him. And then we have my little sister, Emma.
Me.
And then the youngest is my little brother, Aiden. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. The color I use is Syracuse, but she's a little bit lighter than me, so I'm going to mix in the color. NARS's names are always so hard to say. Sahel.
Yeah.
Medium 2.5. I'm just gonna mix that in. So whenever I'm doing like my clients' makeup, I always like to match the foundation more to like
shoulders.
Yeah, chest and the shoulders. Describe each other in one word. Why is that?
I don't know. Hold up. You go first.
I would say overachiever.
Oh, okay.
She just like everything she does, she's really good at it. She really tries her all. She plays softball. She's amazing. She started a lot later than most of the girls that she plays with. She's really good. I love watching her play. She plays shortstop, right? Okay, she plays shortstop. And then in school, she does great. And yeah, she's a great singer. You guys need to hear her sing. Maybe one day she'll let me record a video of her singing. Or maybe she'll sing at the end of this video. You never know.
Ooh.
Like this video if you want to see her or hear her sing on one of my videos.
Okay. So, a word to describe you. Unique.
I like that. That's a good
Yeah.
way to describe me.
Because like compared to most people, she has like a different personality. She's
okay,
not
don't
like
cry.
She's not like shy to show her emotions or like shy to like express herself, you know, which most people are pretty shy.
I think I'm kind of shy though.
Not really.
No.
No.
No. She's like, no. Okay, so I'm going to move on to her brows. And I'm going to use, well, I like that word. That's a good one. Unique.
Thank you.
I like that. I'm going to use the CoverGirl Ultra Fine Brow Pencil. Okay, so for her concealer, we're going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm going to use the colors Medium 30 and Light 20. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation Stick in the color 355 Coconut. And I'm going to use that as a cream contour. I'm going to go right here, and then I like to sum up, do her forehead. I think she has a little bit of a smaller forehead than me.
Really?
I think so, yeah.
Thought I always had a big forehead. Or maybe I do and you just have a really big forehead.
Yeah. And then I contour under my lips to just to make them look a little bit poutier. Then we're gonna go in with the beauty blender. I'm gonna blend out the concealer first. Okay, what's your nickname?
Oh, I don't really have one. People just call me Emma. My name's so short that it's just like Emma.
Yeah. Yeah, I've never really had a...
Yes, you have. Your nickname is Yaya.
No, I'm talking about a nickname for you. Like, my nickname is Yaya.
Yeah.
I think everyone knows that. So at first it started off as just like only my family would say it. The first person to ever call me Yaya was my younger cousin Christian. His dad actually made up the name Yaya because when he was younger he couldn't pronounce my name, and so he called me Yaya. So for the longest it was really just like my family that would call me Yaya. And then ever since Instagram came around, my name on Instagram is Yayamonroy. So now like everyone calls me Yaya. By the way, to blend out her contour, I'm using the Flawless Concealer Brush by e.l.f. This is the best brush to blend out cream contour. I love. Okay, so I'm not sure at what point it cut out, but it's my camera automatically stopped recording when we were cream contouring her. So all I did was put on some Bake. I'm using the Ben Nye banana powder. Now we're just gonna start on her eye makeup.
This is where we got to before we realized that we
the last time that we didn't hit record.
The first time. Yasmin! I swear!
Oh, I wanna die.
I'm very disappointed.
Okay, so I'm gonna use the Morphe 35O palette. And I'm going to go in with the Morphe M441, just a fluffy blending brush. And I'm going to go in with this color right here. Just like a nice warm orange color. What's your favorite food?
Okay, so my favorite food I would say is sushi. Like, I'm in the mood for sushi all the time. But I also like baked potatoes. Yeah. Because, like, you put, like bacon, sour cream, butter, and like really good.
Close your eyes. So that's your favorite food.
Yes.
My favorite food, dude, I don't even know what my favorite food is right. Oh, actually, that's a lie. So I just love potatoes in general, but my favorite are French fries. Yeah, I love waffle fries. I love garlic fries, truffle fries. I just love French fries. A girl likes some deep fried food, okay? And then I love rice.
Of course.
And I love chocolate chip cookies.
There's rice in sushi, so it basically said rice.
Yeah, there you go. So she has like somewhat smaller eyelids than me. But it's okay, we'll make it work.
Ooh, I also like mango and tomatoes. People
Oh,
don't like
she
tomatoes.
loves tomatoes.
I like people will give me like whole tomatoes and I'll just eat it, and people find that weird. Well, yeah, it is, but like people just don't like tomatoes, but I love tomatoes.
For lid color, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Prism palette and go in with this color right here. It's called Eternal. It's just like a nice warm copper color.
Ooh.
And I'm gonna go in with my finger. Who has the tidiest room?
Oh, definitely not me.
Close your eyes. What sport are you good at?
I would say I'm good at softball, but I really love football, even though I haven't played in a long time. But when I did play, I was pretty good, I would say. Yeah. What about you?
I'm good at makeup. That's my sport. So I'm gonna go under her eyes. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. contour brush. And I'm going to use the color, I'm going to use this color right here. Another question. What was the worst argument with your sibling? We've never argued. Yeah.
Like, not a big argument. Like,
look up. I mean, like, I've never argued. Because I'm a little bit older and because I used to babysit her. Wow, you're so good. You're just staying still. Even my clients, like, when I'm doing their under eye, they're like, yeah, like I definitely used to have to like discipline her a little bit, but we've never gotten into arguments. So now I'm gonna dust off her Bake. I'm gonna use this, well, I don't even know what brush this is. I'm just gonna use a fluffy brush and the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in medium golden.
just twitched.
So I'm really just gonna that into the skin. What's something you dislike about each other?
Not really anything. Like, I don't know.
Do you want to curl your eyelashes?
Oh.
Do you know how?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't dislike anything about my sister. She's like my perfect little baby.
Oh my god, I'm nervous.
Just do it. Yeah. If you know me personally, you know that I'm like obsessed with my siblings. Like I think they're like my perfect little babies. They're my pride and joy. The lashes we are gonna use are the lashes I use pretty much every time I do my makeup. They're by Lash Dreams, and they're in the style Genie. If you want money off, I'll leave the discount code down below.
Ooh.
So while her lashes are drying, I'm going to use MAC Gimme Sun to bronze up her skin, and the Morphe M527. And then we're going to contour. I'm going to use the Morphe M523. Kind of like to push it in and then blend it upwards. And then take some towards the front of her face. And I definitely like to take it right here on the temples and under the jawline. Her knuckles and just look down the...
Okay.
Which of my friends do you not like?
I like all of them.
All 2 of them?
Yeah.
Now we're going to go in with liquid highlighter. I'm going to use the iconic London Illuminator drops, the original shade. I'm going to do a couple drops on her cheek.
Oh wow, that's interesting.
And we're going to blend it out. I cut a piece off of the beauty blender, of one of my beauty blenders. And I'm just going to blend that out. It's going to be really intense, like crazy. Okay, so now we're going to go in with blush. I'm going to use the Morphe E53 and the MAC. I just got this blush and it's really, really pretty. It's called Telling Glow. It's like a nice orange blush, but it gives a really nice sheen. So smile. So recently I've been putting it on the apples because I think it gives like a really nice youthful glow. So we put the liquid highlighter down, and then we're going to go over that with the Master Chrome by Maybelline Molten Gold.
Oh.
With the Morphe M510. And I'm just going to put that like everywhere. Okay, so now we're going to move on to her lips. I'm going to take Brick by MAC to line her lips. To be honest, lips are kind of the hardest thing for me to do on other people. I don't know why. But what is the weirdest thing about your sibling? Or about me?
Oh, the faces she makes.
Oh, I make weird faces?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Like what?
Like when she likes a song, the face.
Oh. Everyone.
And then like,
yeah.
she'll make her double chins.
I really have to think about that. I don't know. I think she's just perfect in my eyes. Oh, she drools a lot. But so do I. I drool a lot. We get that from my dad.
Oh, our dad snores a lot.
Oh yeah, I've started to snore now, which sucks. My boyfriend hates it. Well, no, I don't think he hates it. I don't snore loud.
Was that you? I thought that was him last night.
Was it me? Was I snoring last night?
I thought it was him.
It could have been him. I don't know, because he snores too. Okay, so we're going to mix 2 lippies. We're going to do the I Love Sari and ColourPop Arriba, and then the Kat Von D in a Go-Go. Okay. So we got that down, then we're going to go in with a Go-Go. Put that on the center. We're going to go in with a brush and just blend them. Yes! Look at you!
I need to put...
Wow, maganda.
There needs to be a phone to go. Ooh, he made pork roll. Yes! We need to get home.
That's what I love. I mean, I love seeing like everyone at home. But the best thing is when my dad makes Filipino food.
Oh, yes. It's great.
We're going to go in with 2 setting sprays, okay? I'll do... Okay, she wants to try it. So first we're gonna use the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray.
I've always seen like my booty gurus do this, and I was like, oh, that was it.
Yeah. Yes, did a lot get on your face?
Yeah.
I feel like you need to put more. To set everything in place so it lasts, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Matte Finish Spray. Hold on. Okay, so this is my sister transformed into me. What do you guys think? Do we look alike? I think we do. I think we look a lot alike. What
Yeah.
do you think? Yeah?
I think so.
Do you think you look like
I
me now?
found out what the difference was. Like I have a more triangle jaw,
Yeah,
and
her.
she has a more square jaw.
But I think we look alike. Oh my god, my sissy!
If
Okay.
you like the video,
Don't forget to give it a thumbs
Thumbs
up
up.
down below.
and be sure to subscribe to
Yes!
my beautiful sister.
See, she already knows how to do this. She could take my place.
Yeah.
Comment down below what you want to see next, and comment if you think we look alike or not. I think we do.
Yep.
Okay, hold on. I'm going to take your mouth out.
Oh, thanks.
Or maybe this is a concealer brush. I don't know. So I'm going to use the... Oh, girl! So I'm just going to mix it. Just going to mix it up. Babysit her. And...
Oh my
Oh,
God.
fuck. Ah!